My name is Star Preston, and I am the Global Maintenance System Manager for Bristol Myers Squibb, formerly Celgene. Celgene has been a customer of eWorkOrders CMMS solution for over 15 years. Our industry, which develops and commercializes medicines for cancer and inflammatory disorders, has very strict guidelines and regulations to follow, so the vendors that we engage have to be at the top of their field. Our teams are spread out throughout many locations around the world, and they give eWorkOrders the highest possible rating for its ease of use, incredible support team, and their high-quality CMMS software solution. Employees love it. With eWorkOrders Enterprise Asset Management, we can effectively manage and schedule preventive maintenance and resources without any disruption to our business operations and prolong the life cycle of our assets. Top managers love the fact that through reports and dashboards, they get real-time information on our maintenance operations. We recently began integrating our inventory application with Grainger so that we can easily manage inventory levels, costs, and more through our existing system. It's a real plus that eWorkOrders is a system that grows with any size organization. Implementation throughout our many locations has been seamless. What do we like most about eWorkOrders? We found that it was easy to use by our technical and non-technical personnel. The system is straightforward, trouble-free, fast, and inexpensive. eWorkOrders meets the diverse needs of the various department types within our diverse set of facilities. Right from day one, this software met our PM and demand work order needs right out of the box, without the need for add-ons or consulting. Their support team is outstanding, providing us with immediate service for the on-call developer team for custom requests, tech support, or general assistance. Through our research, we found eWorkOrders to be less expensive than other software providers. Our team is more efficient with the ability to access historical data, manuals, and other pertinent data from their phones and iPads. We have an unlimited number of requesters who don't need accounts. This web-based software makes it easy and accessible from all devices, on or off-site. Accessing information in real time, we're always informed of the status of the work orders through our instant notification to in-house staff and outside service providers. We love the interactive PM calendar and advanced preventive maintenance reminders to in-house and outside service providers. Having these notifications and checklists ensure that proper maintenance is done, and we are always prepared for audits and inspections. We love the convenience of single sign-on, which is available for our team who needs to log into their accounts multiple times a day. We are very impressed with eWorkOrders' aggressive security program. Their internet presence is consistently being evaluated, and they continually maintain a rating of 100%. Having a data breach in our industry would be devastating, but with eWorkOrders cybersecurity in place, we know our data is secure. With several hundred standard reports, KPIs, metrics, analytics, and dashboards, we find it very easy to run detailed reports for audits and inspections. The standardized interface of all the modules allow for rapid retrieval of information to quickly accommodate and respond to customer requests. It's extremely helpful for new employees that within the help menus there are how-to videos embedded right into each module. Implementation was seamless and we were up and running within 1 week. I would highly recommend eWorkOrders CMMS and would give them a 10 out of 10 rating.